so here's this cargo train. Here it is.
There's a guy on the back of there.
There's a guy on the back of it. You look at that. In the snow. You can see the train conductor right there. All those all these cargo cars are carrying all this oil. Wow.
I don't know if it's oil.
Actually, it might be boxes and stuff.
See, they can pour it out the bottom. It could be grain. It could be.
It could be gas.
No, not like that.
Wow. Look at that thing.
That's a diesel.
That is a
It's an old
diesel.
school diesel train.
Ooh, that was in the It was in the 14. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that is huge. Yeah. Okay, that is huge.